Hi everyone, this is Felicia, FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with the 4th week question for my FP Handmade's 10-year anniversary celebration video scavenger hunt. So what you have to do is you have to review one of my past videos from 2024 to get the answer for this week's question. Now, if you miss question 1, 2, and 3, you still are able to provide the answers to question 1, 2, and 3. You have to watch the previous videos to get the question, and then you would email me the answer to fphandmade@gmail.com. Now, you won't be able to win for week 1, 2, and 3, but you could be on the winner of the grand prize winner. So all correct answers, if you answer each week correctly, you'll be thrown into a drawing for the grand prize. So once again, this is week 4, and here is the question. In 2024, I won a ribbon in card making at the State Fair of California. It's the 2024 State Fair. What place ribbon did I win? Answers are due by January 26, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Winners will be posted on January 28th. So once again, in 2024, I won a ribbon in card making at the 2024 State Fair of California. What place ribbon did I win? Answers are due by January 26, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and the winner will be posted January the 28th. So we're getting down to the wire here. So this is the 4th week. And the last week for the weekly prizes, if you've answered correctly to all 4 weeks, regardless of when you submitted those answers, you will be included in the grand prize drawing. And I'll tell more about the grand prize drawing when I post the video for the winner of on January 28th. Okay? All right. So the comments below will be turned off because you have to submit your answers to fphandmade@gmail.com. Alrighty, guys. Good luck.